This project for the GCL winder began about 2 years ago, driven by the demand in the market to get longer rolls, the need to have greater than our old capacity of 65 metres. We started the project and were able to up our output by 50% to go to 100 metre long rolls. This will help in the market in terms of building bigger landfills with longer slopes. The project was made possible partly by funding from the Queensland Government. They recognised us as an Australian manufacturer and that our ability to deliver on the project, and 50% funded the project for us.
So with this new winder, we've also got tighter rolls, cleaner edges. Now, we've been getting a more consistent product out, so it makes it easier for us to wrap, easier for us to put the slings on, easier for us to put the labels on. So when it goes on site, the customer can always expect the same product. It'll make it easier for them as well.
So the outcomes of the project mean that we get a more consistent, a tighter and a cleaner edge on the roll, as well as the ability to make longer rolls.